Morning everyone, my name is Anvi Kaur. Today we second Aryabhatta are conducting assembly. Now may I call Saili to say thought of the day. Good morning everyone, my name is Saili Shailesh Nandana. Thought of the day. Beautiful souls are shaped by ugly experience. Thank you. Thank you, Sally. Now may I call Ravya to say word of the day. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ravya Marsontake. Word of the day. First, S-O-U-L, soul. Soul means Atma. Second, U-G-L-Y, ugly. Ugly means Kurup. Thank you. Thank you, Ravya. Now may I call Sharvin to say news headlines. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sharvin. News headlines. India's Asian Games. Wings skipper Harmanpreet Singh scored a brass Gulding Punjab to the final. Second, Malaysia will grant a 30 days visa-free enter for India citizen. Thank you. Thank you, Sharvin. Now may I call Dhairya to ask GK question. Good morning, everyone. My name is Dhairya Praveen Navanda. Today, GK question. First, which of these is second largest country by area?
Second largest country by area. Yes, Mitan.
Right answer is Canada. Second, Diwali is celebrated on which month? On which month in Hindu calendar?
Mahi. What? मंथ पूछा है मंथ दिवाली सेलिब्रेशन कैसे मंथ में होता है हाँ बता नवंबर
Right answer is November. Right answer is Kartik. Third, or pre-primary. How many sides are there in a triangle?
very good 3 sides good
Right answer is 3. Thank you.